YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy 60 Foot. I'm back with another video. I'm not doing a whole lot. I'm heading over here to put some water on this car, on the race car. Figured I'd bring y'all along with me. It's out and about. It's a nice day out here in Bad News. In the 757, man. Where y'all watching from? Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know where y'all watching from, man. All right. Made it over here. Got everything unloaded. For those who don't know, if you're in the 757 area, man, I do power washing. That's actually, so the company name is Wipeout, W-Y-P-E-O-U-T. And Wipeout is actually gonna be sponsoring the car. And so when the car, you know, once we get to the track, you guys will be able to see that. It's definitely gonna be a big Wipeout sticker on the car. Cause that's you know what I mean? That's the sponsor. That's what we got it thus far. So anyway, go ahead, clean this thing up some, man. Like I said, it's just something to do. Really wait, you know, while you waiting on parts and all that. Go ahead, put some water on this thing. This thing is filthy. What color? Because I want to paint. I don't think I'm gonna leave it. I might leave it pink for a year, or magenta, I believe is what they call this color. But drop down in the comment section, man. What color you think we should paint this car? You know what I mean? I'm thinking. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm thinking just yet, but y'all let me know what y'all think. What color should we go with, man, for 60 Foot? For the face, this is now I'm no longer the face of 60 Foot. This is now the face of 60 Foot. What y'all think, man? Drop in the comment section what color you think I should paint her. Bald eagles out here.
You gonna wash the motor off first.
That's what I was thinking. I'm doing the educate, right? Yeah. Shot in. The crack and go all day, bro. Motherfucking doing questions, boy. Because this stuff will be sanded down the paint anyway. That's all about eating shit out, you know what I mean? God almighty. 40, boy. See, I can make it lighter than that. That's all some thing. Yeah, I think that I'm gonna put it back on.
Freaking big reason in that motherfucking power wash that shit down. So when it goes, all you gotta do is stuff it and paint that bitch.
Yeah, I ain't bring no with me. I'm gonna come back though. This is, you know, I just did this for to get some content. See how it looks. race Larry race on my birthday. You know, Larry got the race up in Bush Creek, the first and the second. It's better than it did, but this don't need no real, you know what I'm saying? This stuff built up on the trim. Chamois cloth. You know, normally after you wash the car, you put it in the wind. We ain't gonna go where just yet, though. It's all right. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, I don't know why. I should have left it alone because now I got water in here. I done got most of it to blow out. So I'm gonna put some rags. When I do it, I'm gonna take everything off. You know what I mean? This, you know, some of the stuff I'm starting to see the first time myself. I didn't pay attention too much. I just knew the structure of the product.
Start over.
Yeah. One more time. Tap it. I bet you went past. Yeah, man. That's all this is, man. Gonna be some fun. A fun build. That's what it is. It's a fun build. If we're gonna have a build, might as well be fun. Yes, we're having a blast. Y'all see? Man, y'all wet tires up all up. Cause I'm about to start dropping. You know what I mean? That's you know, to social media, YouTube, all that. It's to the world. It ain't just about, you know, locals. Because people right here know it's elite that the car is not. It's all good. They don't. That's all they do. I mean, go ahead, cut this. You got a 75, 74. Shucky ducky. She looking like something, ain't it? She looking like something, man. Yeah, man. I just wanted to put some water on it. Knock some of the dust off. Next thing I'm gonna come here and clean this out. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring y'all along while I put some water on this thing. Let y'all see the vehicle. Doggone. Like I said, man, y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about a color. Or should I go with a wrap? Should I go like with a custom wrap or something like that? You know, with the logos and all that. I don't think it's time for that yet, but y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, that's a wrap, gang. Y'all stay tuned, man. Gonna be a lot more content coming on this build series, from nothing to something. That's exactly what it is, man. From nothing to something. I appreciate y'all that's tuning in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. 64 Racing.